In front of me is KYOCERA Torque G03, and let me show you how to simulate color space on the following device. So at first you need to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and reach developer mode. If you cannot find developer options right here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to do it, and once you unlock developer mode, click on developer options to enter, scroll down, and you have to locate simulate color space, mark it, and right here you can pick the one that you would like to apply. So now we've got red green, you can pick monochrome or blue yellow, whichever you want to have. Then if you'd like to go back to a default one and disable simulate color space, just mark disabled. And this is it. That would be all. This is how you can reach this feature, how you can change it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.